Welcome to my weekly HR Metrics series by Nicolas Behbahani. Welcome to episode 19 of our HR Metrics series. This week, we have looked at the massive data from Korn Ferry, Gallup, and ATT. And they all point to one massive collision in the future of work. We are finally training our frontline employees in leadership and decision making. But our aging executive layer is terrified of losing control. The result? A miserable, micromanaged daily workflow that destroys human ingenuity and grinds our company to a halt. If you want to know if your company is actually empowering its people, your people analytics team need to track the Frontline Autonomy Rate, FAR. Here's the formula. Number of tasks or decision executed without manager escalation divided by the total daily operational decisions, and they all multiply by 100. If your autonomy rate is below 30%, you don't have a team of unpowered professionals. You have a team of order takers who are forced to ask for permission to do the jobs you hired them to do. Here's why this metric is trending right now. When you have a low frontline autonomy rate, you suffer a triple penalty. First, you waste your training budget because you teach them leadership but don't let them lead. Second, your daily work enjoyment plummets because employees hate being micromanaged. And third, your executives become more massive bottlenecks because they are busy approving $50 software licenses instead of building corporate strategy. We need to stop hoarding authority at the top of the org chart. If you trust them enough to hire them, trust them enough to let them execute. What is the approval process like at your company? Fast and autonomous or slow and bureaucratic? Let me know in the comments below and hit subscribe for next week metrics. For your daily dose of learning in people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicolas Behbahani.